Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions in Samsung Galaxy S6 Tab Lite and see how they work. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then locate advanced features. Right here you will see motions and gestures, and there's only 3 of them. Let's check how they work. First one is double tap to turn on screen, and there's also double tap to turn off screen. If you double tap in empty space, it should turn on and off the screen. But let's see if it works when it's unlocked. Yep, it works in the home page and also when it's locked. Next and the last option is keep screen on while viewing. So right here we can see the camera. If the camera can see us, then that means the tablet will never lock when we're using it like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.